Morning, this is Fiorella from Anyhousecleaning, and we are preparing ourselves to do the job. Today we have two jobs. I want to staples, and we laminated 8 cards. I talked about this previously, and this is all wet and dirty, so he's gonna change that, and we're gonna put new cards. I talk about this. I have 2 videos about this. You can buy this take a card outdoor card holder advertising in Amazon or eBay. It's not expensive. It's like I don't know, $6-8 or 10, and it comes with a plastic so the car won't damage for the rain, but eventually the plastic it fell. So I went to Staples. Gracias, Juan Carlos. I went to Staples and I laminated 8 cards. I have to buy another set for this card. It didn't have, but I'm planning to put it somewhere here. I went last time to Nissan, to the dealer, and one of the guys didn't tell me nothing, just open thing, and he removed one of our cards. Said, "Hey, I'm gonna call you." Oh, thank you. So it's a good advertising, $10, something extra that you can do for your business. This is Fiorella from Anyhousecleaning, and we are ready to rumble. Thank you. 407-572-4118.